If you work in digital marketing or run an agency focused on healthcare brands, then today's episode is your secret weapon. You are about to discover why scaling dental SEO is a whole new ballgame altogether in 2025 and why agencies need specialized partners in 2025 when they are actually working for the digital marketing of healthcare brands. Let me hit you with today's truth. Dental SEO is no more only about keywords. It's about medical accuracy, search intent, and getting folks on that patient chair. So ready to crank things up? Let's dive in. Have you noticed that how finding dentists online is nowhere close to as it used to be 5 years ago? Just think, dentist near me, emergency toothache help tonight, or even Invisalign before and after. That's how real patients search for the keywords. And Google, it's 10 steps ahead with local focus, voice search, mobile indexing, and AI powered results. Dental searches in 2025 are a different ballgame altogether. It's about connecting with worried patients, anxious patients, and cost-focused customers at the precise time. Now you are probably thinking there is traffic to grab. Then why does scale make dental SEO so tough? Here is where the plot thickens. Picture this. You are managing SEO for 30 dental clients in 6 different cities with different doctors, patient stories, services, and local competition. That's hundreds of pages, each needing tailoring, medically reliable, and locally optimized content. The toughest pain points are writing services that actually answers patients' queries, maintaining NAP consistency, writing service pages that actually answers patients' concerns and not just stuff keywords, keeping NAP, that's name, address, and phone number, details perfect for every city and every clinic, building real links, and tracking conversions. Trust me, generic SEO content do not cut it through. You need deep content clusters, schemas, and review strategies, plus answers related to insurance, pricing, and sensitive patient data. Sounds overwhelming? That's because at scale, dental SEO is overwhelming. So why not just slap the standard template across all sites and call it a day? Well, here's the catch. Let's call it out. Cookie cutter SEO doesn't win trust and certainly does not win appointments. Dental patients have serious intent, and Google is focused more on expertise and accuracy. Miss a medical term, you run the risk of losing rankings and worse, compliance issues. Plus, templates can't answer local questions. For example, which dental plans are the best for families in Salt Lake City? Or who offers same day emergency dental care after 5 pm? That's why agencies hit a wall when they try to scale DIY or off the shelf approaches. But don't worry, here's where today's episode really pays off. Let's talk about how specialized partners change the game. Imagine a team that eats, sleeps, and breathes dental marketing. They know Google's rules, patients' search intents, and how to turn "how do I cure my toothache today" into real appointments. That's a specialized partner, your agency's force multiplier. And here is what they bring to the table: service and location specific keywords, not just best dentist, but best Invisalign treatment near your location, content clusters and interlinked FAQs, scalable schemas for doctors, insurance, and services, proven strategies for managing reviews, and above all, frameworks that gets sites converting and ranking faster. Let's ground this in reality. Picture an SEO agency that has switched from DIY to a specialized dental SEO partner. Suddenly, The client saw a 33% surge in organic traffic, more 5-star reviews, and more phone calls ringing every morning. That's not theory, that's what smart partnering does. Now you might be thinking, alright, that sounds good, but how do I find the right specialist? Here are a few checkpoints. Look for proven expertise, success stories, client reviews, case studies, and references from dental clinics. Make sure they get the full funnel, not just rankings, but appointments and patient retention. Can they handle hundreds of service pages, listings, reviews, and compliance all at once? Are they alert to HIPAA, Google's health policies, and patient data privacy? And will they keep you in the loop with proactive reporting, new ranking opportunities, and ROI? If you find a partner which ticks all of the above boxes, don't let them go. Now let us land today's episode with a shot of inspiration. If you are running digital campaigns for dental clients or thinking about entering the space, remember, scaling dental SEO takes knowledge, heart, and the right partners. Don't settle for generic. Don't wing it. The difference between okay to wow is actually who is on your team. At Justwords, we have turned the tide for many dental clients, moving them from only rankings to real appointments and better ROI. I'm sure from today's episode you have gained a good insight on what to look for when we talk about dental SEO, how to find the right partner, and how to scale your dental SEO agency business. Got questions, stories, or want a deep dive to a future episode? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, drop a voice note, or connect with us on LinkedIn. Keep hustling for your clients, keep your SEO sharp. This is your host Rahul, signing off till the next episode. Bye-bye.